To swap any cryptocurrency in Tangem Wallet, follow these steps. Set up Tangem Wallet. Download and install the Tangem app from the App Store or Google Play. Set up your Tangem card and securely back up your recovery phrase. Deposit cryptocurrencies. Transfer the cryptocurrencies you want to swap into your Tangem Wallet. Use the Receive option in the Tangem app to copy your wallet address and transfer assets from an exchange like Coinbase, Kraken or others. Access the Swap feature. Open the Tangem app and navigate to the Swap section. If you don't see this option, ensure your app is up to date and check for any swap or integrated exchange features in the settings. Select cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap from the list in your wallet. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and exchange. Confirm swap. Enter the amount you want to swap and review the transaction details, including any fees. Confirm the swap and the transaction will be processed. Complete the transaction. After confirmation, the swap will occur and your wallet will reflect the new balance.